Hi everybody, it's Kathy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a review of my new Kate Spade Cameron Street Lottie handbag. I've had it now for about 2 months. I purchased it straight off the Kate Spade website and I had absolutely no issues with the transaction. And being that I live in Canada, all duties and taxes were paid when I purchased the bag. So it was delivered directly to my house with absolutely no issues. So I'm just going to read off of their website the dimensions of the bag. It comes in a multiple array of colors. The color that I have is a really rich red and it's called Tempranillo. The size is 11.3 inches wide by 9 inches high and 5.1 inches deep. The handle is 4 3/4 inches with a 22 inch adjustable crossbody strap. And I will show you later how I wear the bag, and I have it on the very last hole for the adjustable strap. So most of the time I like to carry it like this or in the crook of my elbow, but I just wanted to show you I'm 5'4", and if I wear it crossbody, it's very comfortable, and I just thought I'd show you where it falls on me. It just sits nicely on my hip. The material is a crosshatch leather with matching trim, and it has a book stripe print, a twill lining. It comes with a dust bag. There's one main zippered compartment and then 2 side compartments. So let's see what is in my bag. Let's open up this first section. I have a calendar that I just picked up at the dollar store. I still like to write my appointments down. Even though they are in my iPhone, I'm still old school and still like to look at them written down in the calendar. I have some Tylenol, some mints. I never go anywhere without mints, and a hand sanitizer, and some garbage apparently. In the other pocket, in this pocket, I have a reusable shopping bag, some clean Kleenex, a Ricola because I must have been sick at one point. Oh, and a gift card for the Source that I need to use, apparently. And in the zippered middle compartment, you can see how deep it is. I have my Ray-Bans, the Jackie O, which I love, these polarized lens. I have my Coach wallet that I've had for 12 years. Use this every day. It is time for a new one. I'm looking for a slimmer size. And I normally have my other glasses and glass case in the bag, but that section is empty. And in the inside zippered compartment, some feminine products, some hand towels. Oh, the care card for the handbag, some dental floss, extra set of house keys, key to my mom's apartment, and then a cosmetics lip balm. So the bag is empty. I really love the lining. It's fun, it's whimsical. There's so much space in this bag. I love the shape, I love the size. The size is perfect for me. I love the color. It's very well made, it's very sturdy, and it's durable. It has feet on the bottom. It's held up very well. I've been using it pretty much every day since I think I got it around the July 1st long weekend. I love the little flag or pull tab on the zipper. The zipper, it works very well. It doesn't catch. It's a very smooth running zipper. The handles are sturdy. I love this bag. I have only one issue with this bag, and it's not so much about the bag, it's just my own personal preference. I don't live near a Kate Spade store, that's why I purchased it online, so I never was able to have access to the bags and know what the leather quality was like. There's no quality or issue with the leather. However, I do find it a bit stiff. I'm used to softer leathers. that's just my personal preference. Would that stop me from purchasing another Kate Spade bag in the future? Probably not. I guess the good thing about this is if you're out and it gets wet, you can just easily wipe it off. Although I haven't been caught out in a rainstorm with it. So that's just my review on this bag. So let me know if you have any of the Kate Spade bags. If you have this particular model, it is the Kate Spade Cameron Street Lottie, and it holds a lot of stuff. So I'm very pleased with it. I hope you've enjoyed this quick review and what's in my bag. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and click the notification bell beside it. I do all sorts of beauty, lifestyle, fashion, vlogs, cooking, everything. My channel is really pretty much like a magazine. There's something here for everyone. And if you go through my older videos, I think I have over 200 videos up on my channel now. I'm sure you will find something that you enjoy. So if you wouldn't mind sharing and liking and leaving me a comment, that just helps my channel to grow. And I would really appreciate your help if you could do that, because I am trying to grow my channel. So thanks for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.